my wish, we have a, I'm sorry, I'm gonna be nosebleed today. But anyway, my wish is not for myself. I wish is for everyone to have, joyous life, not only today, but for always. And for our kababayans in the Philippines who has been, inflicted with typhoon, or they lost their livestock, and some people that they love. So if we can help them, and I hope that my life will be a living testament to all of you of being kind to everyone, and to be a living testament of God's love for us. So I thank you, all of you guys, for coming. And as I celebrate my 1 year past my half century, I am very, very grateful, and I'm very, very blessed to have stand here before you guys. Because as a single mom, it wasn't easy. But God had plans for me to prosper me and not to harm me. So I just thank God also for allowing me to have a great friends like you guys, like a mother, like a father in the kitchen. Si Tatay, she's not here. And a brother. Tatay, where are you? But anyway, you guys are not just friends to me. You guys are family. And thank you for all your support. Thank you, Ivan, for doing that. We won't be singing today if it's not Ivan who comes here. Half an hour, he's like, let's do it. And I said, yeah, let's do it. And then, like IT himself, he has no problem doing it. I'm not good at that. So he just did that one. And for all the support, and of course for all the, sometimes you have to teach me
how to do it.
To be,
How to
how to doggy. Sometimes, honestly, malaswong mo. Aring Joanna rin.
Kanta yun.
Sometimes Joanna has to tell me that I'm too much of a giver or something. I appreciate that. Because a real friend tells you the whole truth. Not like telling you, bala ka sa bola. You do it whatever you want to do. A real friend tells you what you are doing wrong, so you can change, or you can at least think about it. So, kumain na kayo. Even na, may gamot naman tayo. And may diabetics.
Daming gamot.
Anyway, let's eat it
Living
all because
testament.
we have medicine.
Happy birthday, day! Yeah! Blow the candle! Okay, Will, blow na!
Okay, anak, ano mo to?
Wish.
Ano ba gusto nyo i-wish ko?
Sana bumaba mga tahimik. Sugar.
Our sugar will go down.
Yeah.
There's a lot of us here. But anyway, here's to good health to all of us. As I said, this is not just my birthday, but an appreciation of friendship and being a family.
Yes!